We're given the function f of x is equal to x cubed plus x plus 1. And we want to find the tangent line for f inverse of x at x equals 3. So for the tangent line, we need a point and a slope. The slope will be from the derivative. So let's first take the derivative of this. The derivative is 3x squared plus 1. But the derivative of an inverse is 1 over f prime of f inverse of x. So if I'm taking the derivative of the inverse at x equals 3, that's going to be 1 over f prime of f inverse of 3. The way to solve this is to first start on the inside. So we're going to start with f inverse of 3. The way to solve that is to plug in 3 in for y, and then you solve for x. Notice there's 3 terms here, so if you let each term be 1, that's how you get 3. So it's like 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Well, what value gives you that? Clearly it's x equals 1. So 1 cubed plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So in other words, f inverse of 3 is 1. So now we go down here, replace f inverse of 3 with 1, and we plug in x equals 1 into our derivative. So that's going to be 3 times 1 squared plus 1, which is 4. Okay, so this is going to be our slope. For our point, we said we want x equals 3, and then we want f inverse of 3. F inverse of 3 we said is 1. So we have our point, we have our slope. Now we just come up with the equation. So we're just going to use point slope. We have y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1. So that's y minus 1 equals 1/4 x minus 3/4, and then add 1 to both sides. So that's just going to be 1/4 x plus 1/4. And that is our tangent line.